Let me tell you about two people. Both of them wake up at 6 a.m. Both of them work hard, 8, 9, sometimes 10 hours a day. Both of them are smart. Both of them want more for their lives. But 10 years from now, one of them will still be setting that 6 a.m. alarm because they have to. And the other one won't. What's the difference? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's not even how much money they make. It's one decision, one mindset shift, one choice that most people never even realize they have. And that's what this channel is about. Here's the truth that nobody tells you in school, in college, or even in most workplaces. Trading your time for money is a losing game. Think about it. You only have 24 hours in a day. You sleep for 7 or 8 of them. You eat, commute, take care of your family, and suddenly, you're left with maybe 4 or 5 hours that are actually yours. And if every single dollar you earn requires you to show up, perform, and be present, what happens when you can't? What happens when you get sick? When life hits you? When you simply want to take a month off and travel? The money stops. That's the reality for 78% of Americans. Living paycheck to paycheck, not because they're lazy, not because they don't work hard enough. Because nobody taught them the other way. So what is the other way? It's simple, and I want you to really hear this. The wealthy don't just earn money. They build systems that earn money for them. While they sleep, while they travel, while they spend time with the people they love. These systems have a name. We call them passive income streams. And before you roll your eyes, this isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This isn't about drop-shipping gurus or crypto moonshots or anything that promises you a Lamborghini by next Tuesday. This is about real, proven, boring in the best way strategies that have been building generational wealth for decades. Dividend stocks that pay you every single quarter, just for owning shares. Index funds that quietly compound your money year after year, even when you're not looking. Digital products, content, and assets that you build once, and that keep earning for years. Real estate income that works while you do anything else. These are not myths. These are not reserved for the ultra-rich. These are available to you, starting today, with whatever you have. I want to tell you about something called the compound effect. Imagine you invest just $300 a month. You're not rich. You're not making 6 figures. You're just putting aside $300, the cost of a few dinners out. A streaming subscription, a couple of impulsive Amazon purchases. At an average annual return of 10%, which is what the S&P 500 has historically delivered over the long term. In 10 years, you'd have over $60. In 20 years, nearly $200. In 30 years, over $600. From $300 a month. The money isn't magic, the time is, and the earlier you start, the more time works for you instead of against you. This is why the best day to start was 10 years ago. But the second best day is today. Here's what I need you to understand about this channel. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to show you a roadmap. Every week, we're going to break down one piece of the passive income puzzle, clearly. Honestly, with no fluff and no hype. We're going to talk about dividend investing. We're going to talk about index funds, ETFs, and how to build a portfolio that grows even while you're sleeping. We're going to talk about the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, and what it actually takes to stop working because you want to, not because you have to. We're going to talk about side hustles that can become automated income. About the mental shifts that separate people who build wealth from people who only dream about it. And we're going to do it step by step, whether you're starting with $50 or $50. Before I go, I want to leave you with one thought. Most people spend their entire lives working for money. The people who achieve real freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, the freedom to live on their own terms, they made one decision at some point that changed everything. They decided that money should work for them, not the other way around. That decision is available to you right now. In this moment, whether you're 22 or 45 or somewhere in between, it is not too late. It is never too late to start building something that will change the trajectory of your life. The only question is, are you ready to start? If the answer is yes, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and come back every single week. Because we're just getting started. And I promise you, what's coming next is going to be worth your time.